Friends, I will show you how we can study breakout on 10 days time frame with 30 minutes chart. So I have opened future and option liquid stocks chart screener. Sorry, actually this is screener. So friends, first of all, you will open this screener after market opens, and you will try to find the stocks, and you will get by 9:30 you will get limited 2-3 stocks. So what you have to do is you have to see the charts of the stocks one by one. So let me show you the Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited. How does the chart look like? Let it open. Sorry, there's an issue. I'm getting this problem. If anybody knows some solution to this, so please tell me how I can overcome this problem. So friends, I will show you 10 days 30-minute chart. So I have shown you how we will select period of 10 days period and time frame range of 30 minutes, and I will update the chart. Now you see, so you can study this on your mobile phone very easily. It's quite so I'm making this video from laptop, but I've just shown you how we can study it on mobile. So what you have to do is you have to study. You can see this is from last 10 days move from September, October onwards. Okay, sorry, what I'm saying, it is from 7th October onwards, 7th, 8th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 18th, 19th, 20th, and 21st, right? So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9, and 10. Today is 10th day. So means you can see past 9-day chart. Now we will select a line from here and mark the previous range. Like this is one range, and this is another high range for particular days. Okay, so what we have to look is we have to look for previous range breakout. Like you can see these are the two highest points. This is one point, and let me show you by making some rectangles. This is one region, and this is, sorry, I have to reselect it again. But yeah, on mobile phone you can't do this function. You can just take this horizontal line, and you can't take even the trend line, or you can just take this arrow also, means upward buying, or you can say in case we get some stock for selling, so we can use this also and put it there where we feel we can sell it below this range or something. But these things don't matter. We have to mark some range. So for that, this horizontal line is enough. So we will place it anywhere. So we have to deselect it again and again, right? This is how we can select it. Okay, and we can go back to cursor and study some chart. So this is how we have to select. We have to find out, and what we have to focus on this. Suppose we are trading this range. We know that stock has, it is in the range for these two levels. We are focused, and previously there is no such high level, means we can expect some breakout from here. So we have to wait for first 30 minutes candle to be formed. Like today's candle is formed. Like today's candle, you can see this is today's 30-minute candle. So now it has been formed. Once this candle is formed, we will wait for a breakout. Let us say it depends on the stock. Normally we can consider from 5 to 10 points above, or we can say even 5 points above the high level. Let me show you what was the high of this first 30-minute candle. You can focus here. This is high. You will get to see high in this range, in this box. Sorry. What is happening? I think yeah, I have selected it. So sorry, I can't select this upper side because its value keeps changing, so it is not allowing me. But you just focus on this thing. See, this is first 30 minutes candle, and you can see if I move this cursor anywhere, so it shows high, low, open, okay, close, and percentage change, volume as well for a particular candle. So I'm placing it in first 30-minute candle of today's. Let me show you. I will just shift it upward. so that you can see it's 21st. And you can see here that first 30-minute candle high was 2047. So let us add 5 points or even 10 points. So we can consider buying above. Means we have to wait for the breakout of the first 30-minute candle as well. First of all, we have seen this is the range. Okay, I have marked this range with the horizontal line. Now I will wait for first 30 minutes candle to be formed, and once this candle is formed, I will wait for this candle high to be broken, and we can even take a buffer of, let us say, 5 to 10 points depending upon some stock. If it's a small stock, so it might be a big 5 to 10 point can be a big move, but it depends on some stock. Like this is Kotak Mahindra Bank and it has a cost of 2000. It's 2047. So 5 to 10 rupees is not a big buffer for this kind of stock having this big price. Okay, so I shall wait for somewhere, let us say about 2055 or even 2060 level to be broken, and that I will enter. Now let us see the next candle high and low accordingly. So see, next candle high was 2064, means now it has given us an indication that we can go long. Right now it may be formed immediately, or it might have taken some time, but we have to wait. We have to place, we should be ready with our we can say call option for higher level. Let us say we keep a target of approximately, see, it's 2000 rupees stock, so it's 1% would be around 20 points. Okay, accordingly we can choose a strike price of about 3% above, but it would be better we can go with at the money. Let us say if we select a strike price of 2000, let us say 2100 or so, means we should look for the nearby strike price so that we can get the fast move. Now we have to choose the strike price according to its lot size. Okay, so for lot size, I'm checking on mobile phone that what is the lot size of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Just wait for a while. By the time I will pause the video. Okay, friends. So I have find out the lot size of Kotak Mahindra Bank, which is 400. Okay, and if I select 2100 call of the Kotak Mahindra Bank, that had a price of around 40 rupees at the time of this breakout has happened. Right now, lot size of 440 is equal to 16,000 rupees. Capital was needed to take this trade. Or let us even say we have taken entry about 50 rupees. We should be careful that our entry should not go wrong. So we can try to even select the strike price and go and check its chart. And just like we have taken the 30 minutes range breakout, even we can check the strike price of 2100 and check its high, and we will buy about high. Let us say it is let me check from mobile phone what was the high of first 30-minute candle, so that I can tell you properly where we should have entered at what price. Okay, hope you can understand what I'm saying, because I'm considering buying in this Kotak Mahindra Bank, but now we are relating to option. So I'm saying we can buy it above as its high of the first 30-minute candle is 2047. Let's say it's 2048. I am taking buffer of 5 to 10 points. Let us consider buying above 2060. And in next candle, it has given a breakout. I don't know at what time it has given that breakout, but it has given a breakout above this zone, this level, first 30-minute candle. Means its second candle high is 2064. Now I will correlate it to, I will check the 30 minutes chart on the mobile. Okay, and as I could find out from mobile phone that the first 30-minute candle high of the 2100 call option was 33 rupees. Okay, so I'm saying we could have considered buying in this Kotak Mahindra Bank 2100 call above 33 rupees. So ideally we can go about, let us say about 40, so that we are taking a buffer if its breakout will be happening, so we can be on the right side. We should not go wrong. So in that case, I'm keeping a buffer of, let us say 7 to 8 points here, also even a 10 points buffer as per the stock. right? So in next candle, it has given high of 40. Means in next candle, we have got the entry, just like we have got entry in the, as per the Kotak Mahindra Bank chart in cash. I'm relating it to derivative. So I have taken entry in the second candle. That is at 40 rupees, our entry has been made. And you know, its high of day is, it has given a closing up at 87 rupees. Today's closing of Kotak Mahindra Bank is 87 rupees. Now we will not wait for that big target. We will ideally keep some target of, let us say we will keep, if we have taken uh, entry of 40. So I think friends, 10 to 20 rupees are enough. Okay. So if you take 10 rupees, so 400 into 10 is 4,000 rupees profit. Accordingly, 20 rupees, up move means uh, you have got 8,000 rupees profit. So it's a very good profit. It's a good trade. Even 10 rupees means we can even keep target in terms of money, right? So you can keep a daily target of, let us say, 1,000 to 2,000 is an ideal target. You can exit up once we have got, let us say, 2,000 rupees. It's enough, friends. 2,000 is not a bad trade with just one lot and with just 16,000 rupees investment. So hope you understand how we can, go with the relate to, breakout stocks with the options. I will show you a few other charts. Okay, friends. Now let me show you how we can check stocks for the downward breakout. So you can see I've shown the Infosys 30 minutes chart of the last 10 days. And it's yesterday move actually, to even today it made the fall, but yesterday it has given a downside breakout after this range was formed. I have marked this range. You can see there is a range. Once this stock has given a breakout below this level, below this zone, I have marked it. So we should look for this range. So as you can see, that Infosys had given a breakout below. We can say it is somewhere. Let me check the top. It is somewhere 1835.40. Even if I place this candle at this, there's a doji candle. Its high was 1848 and its low was 1817. And upper side, it is the only candle above 1840, we can say. And in the downside, there is a range. It was in a range. I have marked this range with a rectangle. So you can see it was a sell below 1820, or let us say 1814 or even 1810. And you can see, friends, yesterday in the first, let me show the candle, first 30-minute candle of yesterday on 20th. What has happened? Sorry, 20th is this. Sorry, this is the doji candle, friends. This is on 20th. So yesterday breakout has happened and it continued in the day. It has given a closing around somewhere in this low level. Its closing is around 1800. Okay, and today, sorry, it's not the closing of yesterday. Yesterday closing was somewhere 1798 or somewhere. Okay, today it opened up. You can see it opened higher, but it made a high of around 1814. Somewhere we can say that yesterday this breakout level in the lower side, somewhere 1820, somewhere what level it reached up to that level, but could not. Its first 30-minute candle, we cannot we can say it could not break the upper side move. It cannot give a movement in the upper side. So it continued the downtrend. The breakout that has happened yesterday, it continued that side, and today it has given a big fall from we can say opening price of 1813, and today's close, you can see it has given somewhere around a closing around 1757. So actually I have given a call also. You can see in this candle I could see that it can reverse as it was forming small candle. You can see there are three small candles in this range, which made to think now it is in the attempt, it will try to reverse from it, and it has shown some reversal somewhere up to, you can see its high was 1766 somewhere, but it could not sustain that, and later on you can see it has given a dip also, but again recovered somewhere. Now it has given a closing around 1757. So friends, if tomorrow if it opens or it gives a breakout about this level of, we can say 17, even we can take a buffer of 1770 or somewhere, provided first 30-minute candle breakout is somewhere above this level and it sustains above. Okay, if it sustains above in first 30-minute candle, and after 30 minutes candle breakout, if it gives a breakout somewhere above this level, let us say about 1770 or so, if it gives a breakout in this side, we can expect it to touch this level first. Means it's around 10 rupees move. Sustaining about this level, I can expect it to touch around 1800 or so. Means about, we can say roughly about 15 to 20 points move can be possible in this stock tomorrow, right? But provided it sustains first 30-minute candle, or in the lower side, if it breaks today's low, that is 1750. 1 minute, what is today's low? Yeah, today's low is, as per this, is 1746. We can ideally go for 1740 or even 1730, 35. If it gives a breakout below that side, means below 40, it seems to be a sell below that. In that case, we can expect it to touch somewhere around this level, means somewhere 1700 or 1710 or so. Means something around 10-20 points move is easily possible if it gives a breakout below this level, below this zone. Let me mark this level. So friends, I will take a rectangle here. So I can mark this zone for tomorrow's move. So this is a range where we will not do any trade in Infosys tomorrow. But if it gives a breakout in the upper side above, let us say 1770, and the lower side, if it gives a breakout below 1740, I am keeping a buffer of, let us say, 5-10 points here from today's close price. Okay, if it sustains below, and we should wait for first 30-minute. If first 30-minute candle is formed below, if it gives a breakout below that level, so we can continue, provided the breakout is of the first 30-minute candle. It should be below first 30-minute candle, right? Means suppose first 30-minute candle is formed somewhere, let us say it is formed between 1740 and 1750 or somewhere. After it gives a breakout of first 30-minute candle with a buffer of 5 rupees, 10 rupees, we can expect it's a move somewhere around 1700, nearby 1700, even 1710 somewhere. But it's likely to give a breakout this side or in the upper side. In the upper side, if it sustains above, let us say 1770 or so, and only on breakout above this level, 1770 or 1775 or so, we can expect a move towards, we can't say exactly the movement will be as big as today's, but we can expect somewhere 10-20 rupees movement in the upside in that case. So when this is how we can trade breakout stocks, and we can relate it to options. We can accordingly choose a particular strike price in the range of maximum 3% in the upper side. I'm saying maximum. And you know, it's always better to trade at the ATM price. As suppose we are taking 1780 or 1770 rupees, we can say breakout on the upper side. So we should look for the nearby, means 1800 or even 1780 or something. If we get that strike price is possible, and we should look for that, and we should see the value of the option at that time and relate to check its lot size and check the price, means the capital required. So we can make adjustment within first, we can say as per 20-30,000, we can make adjustment accordingly. But it should be, you know, within first 3%. Because if we take a far out of money, you know, option, then the movement will be, in spite of a big movement, our profit will be, you know, small. So we should be within a maximum 3%. Okay, from the current, you know, price. So this is, friends, how we can select option accordingly to breakout. Because see, Bank Nifty is quite volatile and its movement is quite, you know, different as compared to these stocks. If stocks give a movement, like Infosys has given one-way movement today, many of the stocks have given one-way movement today. Let me show what all stocks have given a one-way movement. So you can see, you can just go and check the percentage column. So percentage here, sorry. We will just click over this, and we can get stocks, you know, that has given a breakout in the upper side, and those we have given in the downside. So you can see Havels have given a fall about closing fall. Close of in the downside close is 8.59%. Next is Coforge or NIIT Tech and Mind my entry limited accordingly. So you can see friends, Asian Paints even. So let us check the Asian Paints chart. I will show you where was the breakouts has happened even yesterday or today. So you can see friends, it was continuously in a downtrend. We can see there is a upper side range, or I will just take a rectangle to mark this range. You can see the stock was in, in the downtrend for few days. See, in the past, there was no supporting candle in the past. I'm talking about past. You can see there's no candle visible as per chart. And it has given a breakout and it was in a continuous downtrend. Even we can place our, we have to look at it in different ways. Let us place a trend line here. This is the trend line. Now, friends, this stock is going to take the respect of this trend line until it gives a breakout in the upper side of this trend line. Stock will continue the downtrend. Okay, in spite of this continued downtrend, you can see today it had given a a big downtrend downside move, a downward breakout. You can see below this range. Actually, it has given a breakout in this range. Actually, you can see there was a small range. Already it was in downtrend, right? And you can see first 30-minute candle, its high was 3195. Okay, and its low was 3154. So it has given a breakout in the next candle. You can see after first candle was formed, in next candle you can see its first candle low was 3154, and the second candle you can see in second candle its high was 3186. Okay, high was 3186. Okay, 3186, and the downside move is downward candle is its downside move is 3125, means it has given a breakout downside. So we could have entered there, and see at the end it had given a very big fall. You can see it had given a very big fall from high of 3133 to low of 2960. It's quite a big fall of around 90 rupees spent. So you can see the big candle here. Such moves are very rare, but it has happened actually. It has happened actually, this big move, right? And I'm telling you friends, until this stock will give a breakout in the upper side above this level, above the trend line, until it sustains above this level. Which range I am talking? Somewhere around, it's above 3200. Until this stock gives a upside breakout above this trend line of, as per trend line, we can see that breakout level seems to be about 316065 or 70, 80 somewhere. But ideally, we should look for the immediate resistance level. Until this stock will take a breakout and sustain above 3200 level, the downtrend, we can say, may continue for a few other days. Once this stock will give a breakout above 3200 level, if it sustains, it can easily touch this level, that is 3350 or so. Means 150 points sure movement will be there in this range. But immediately there's a big resistance, so it can again face the resistance there. Sustaining above this level, we can expect further move. For that, we need to check higher time frame chart, but I'm just checking 30 minutes, 10 days period chart. So as for 30 minutes chart, we can take a, we can track the right movement on intraday basis, and we can trade accordingly, right? So hopefully friends, this video would give you a right insight that how we can trade a breakout, and what should we look for the breakout, where in the upper side and the downside. We should look for past level range. Wherever any stock breaks a range in the past few days, let us say I have shown you this rectangle. As per this rectangle, the stock was trading in a range of 3350 and 3200, let us say 3280 or so. So it was a range. You can see for a few days. Let me check for how many days was this range was there. Maybe from 8th onward, 8th October onwards, or let us say 11th October onwards, from 11th to 18th. Okay, right? So it has given a downside breakout on 18th, and that was, I think, with a gap. There's a little gap down opening in this stock, and once this range is broken, so we should look for such ranges, friends. Always focus on such ranges, such range breakouts. So this is what I am focused. Once we get such range breakouts, we are likely to get a very big move. You can have a very big move, like it happened in most of the stocks in today's market. as overall market was falling, even Bank Nifty, but Bank Nifty recovered fast. Even Asian Paint has shown a big recovery from the low of, let me check, what was the low? The low was 2920. From a low of 2920, it has given a up move till 3000. It made a high of 3000 and it's closed at 3012, right? So friends, it has given a, we can say good recovery, but in the recovery that has happened in Bank Nifty today is quite amazing. Let me show you Bank Nifty also. Let me show you Bank Nifty 30 minutes chart. Okay, so you can see, friends, I have shown you chart from the mobile that this stock was in this range. I have made a trend line here. Stock was in this range. Sorry, it was trading in this, we can say, channel. Okay, and it has given a range breakout. Once this breakout has happened, it has given a big move. So I think I've shown some chart like this. There's something like this. There's a candle formation, or there's a range from few days, friends. From 18th onward, it was trading in a range. Now let us mark some high level here, and even this is some low, we can say. So now let us see where was the breakout level. So it has given a breakout of this range. Now we can expect some further upside movement in Bank Nifty even tomorrow. This range is likely to continue, provided it, it sustain this range. So 4000 level is sustained because it has given a closing of. I'm checking, this spot chart. So this is 4165, but in futures chart, it is somewhere 4300 points or somewhere. Now it has given a breakout about 4000 actually. Sustaining about 4000, it may continue further movement, let us say 4500 or even beyond that, right? So friends, this whole day stock was this Bank Nifty was trading in this range, narrow range. There was a, we can say, in the initial time, it was in the beginning, it was in the downtrend. You can see in first 30 minutes it has given a downside movement. It could not break the high of this first 30-minute candle. Let me check the first 30-minute candle. Its high was 39768. You can check in this level. Okay, so its low was 39611, right? So it was not giving a clear indication of fall and rise, because see, there was an immediate, we can say, support level somewhere around 39350 or so. Even I was expecting it has not broken, today it could not break 500 level, right? In this big candle it has given a breakout in that, otherwise in none of the candle has broken. Sorry, this is actually spot chart, so it is showing it has given a breakout below 500, but in futures chart this Bank Nifty was trading above 500, 39,500 and above. It was trading there, and I was expecting above 800, 850 till 850. It was weak. Once it could break that level 39,850 as per futures chart, so the possible move in the upside was, the upside move was possible, was clear, and it has happened. But at that time I was busy and I could not send the messages. But I have already shared my views that the range from 39,500 to 39,700 is no trading range. It's a range bound move, and until it breaks either side, we should not trade. And by the time the trend was mostly in the downside, means we were with the puts, right, until it could sustain above this level, because there was immediate resistance around 39,900 and so. But once Bank Nifty given a big move, and there was obviously some big buying happened from the institutional buyers and big players, so they have given a very big push in this Bank Nifty today. That has given a very great moment. So friends, this is how we should look at charts, and we should trade accordingly. So hope it would help you to understand how we can study charts, and we should look at different parameters. We try to relate it diagonally, or we can say in other ways. Just don't look at in the horizontal lines. try to look relate it to some past level in the diagonal ways, means try to make some trend lines. Even you can draw it on the mobile phone also. That's quite easy, friends. Just have a look, what are the levels? This is some high level, this is another level. So try to connect these levels, just make points. This is one level, 39,770, 39,800 or so. Accordingly, this is another level, 4,000 level, and so on. Right, friends? So try to relate your charts, and it's quite easier to study charts on mobile phone. I feel quite comfortable and quite easier than laptop, because in laptop we have to sit there, we have to we need laptops, and it's not easy always that we could have laptop anywhere. We can take laptop anywhere, we can take mobile phone anywhere. We can, if we are sitting in car, in some office, some even somewhere in kitchen, anywhere, so you can easily study the charts. So it's quite, mobile phones are quite handy and quite easy to study charts. What we have to focus is on some range breakout. So you can see, even if I show you, there was some breakout in this level. It was continuously giving breakout. Let us take it that it has given a breakout above this level, and you can see the movement upside. Here in this range, it was trading in this is a range, friends. Here it has came in a range, and the move has restricted in this level. This was a narrow range for Bank Nifty for a few days. Now, what was the range? The range upper side, it is, let us say, 40,000, and lower side it is 39,400. Somewhere this is the range as per spot chart, Bank Nifty spot. So you can see it was in a range, and today it has given a breakout. Now I'm expecting some further move in this side, in the upper side. Let us see tomorrow how it behaves, how it acts. But ideally now the trend is changed, because overall the long-term trend of the market is we can say strong. It is in the strong upside trend, uptrend. It is in the strong uptrend. Now these falls are the temporary falls, and these are the temporary falls. Maybe they are not sustaining, right? Because we have seen in the from past long time. If I show you bigger time frame chart, let us check, say 1 year and daily chart, so you can understand the overall structure, overall trend of the market is so strong. So you can see, friends, it's a continuously upside move in spite of some big falls also. Few points fall, you can see one fall, another fall. So these falls are there. Even there was a big fall in the Bank Nifty in this level, right? It has happened in somewhere March this year. Okay, in March this year, it has fallen from 37,500 level and made a low of 30,340 or 42, we can say, right? But again recovered, and you can see then it has broken this level. So you can see it has now given a breakout above 38,000 somewhere, and again a breakout on the upper side. So overall trend of the Bank Nifty or even whole market is strong. So temporary movements, temporary falls are an opportunity for investors. I'm saying investor, for those who have a long time, we can say, view of the market, they can still continue the, they can still continue to go on the long side. So hopefully, friends, I think video has become longer, and I should stop it here. Just try to focus on what I'm saying. On 30 minutes chart, try to relate it to